Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and small project of this cute little accessory with a great sense of smell. That's right, a great sense of smell. And you can hang it on your purse, backpack, in the bathroom, closet, in the car, basically anywhere you want. You can follow the pattern and turn this into a bigger size, like this. This, I added a zipper. Now I have a cute little purse. If you like what you see, please show me some love. Just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Or you can also buy me a coffee to show your support. Link is in the description box. Okay, let's take a look at the materials. For this project, I use cotton yarn, but you can use any type of yarn you want. It's also a great way to use up those scrap yarns, and any size or hook of your choice. However, the size of your finished product may not be the same as mine. I'm using a 3 ml hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, 2 beads, and lavender. But honestly, you can use anything for the inside. Here is my best friend. I have this crochet ring for about 5-6 months now, and I'm still loving it. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description box. Alright, let's get going with the pattern. I'm using 2 strings of yarn because the yarn I'm using is very thin. Make a slip knot, wrap the yarn around your finger like this, and bring the working yarn through the loop. Insert the hook, make sure it's not too tight. Make a chain of 14 or any even number. Yarn over, pull through, 1, yarn over, pull through, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Now I have 14 chains. On the second chain, 1, 2, that's this one, place a single crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's 1 single crochet. Then 1 chain. Skip the next stitch or the next chain, then single crochet into the next. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1 chain. Skip 1, single crochet into next. And 1 chain. Skip 1, single crochet, one chain. Skip 1, single crochet, one chain. Skip 1, single crochet, then 1 chain. Now at the end of the chain with the last 2 chains, place a single crochet into the last chain. One chain. From here, we are going to work this way back. No skip 1 here. Do not skip 1. On the next stitch, place a single crochet. That's this one. Place a single crochet. And normally, I like to carry the tail with me. 1 chain, then skip 1, single crochet, 1 chain, skip 1, single crochet, 1 chain, skip 1, single crochet, 1 chain, skip 1, single crochet, 1 chain. So we make it back to the beginning, and this is my last stitch. Skip 1, single crochet, 1 chain. Now we have completed the round and make it back to the beginning. Single crochet into the first stitch. No skip 1 here. And this is round 2. Continue with the pattern. Single crochet, 1 chain, skip 1, single crochet, 1 chain, skip 1, all around. And we are going to repeat this one for about 6 or 7 rounds, or until it became a square. So I completed about 6 or 7 rounds, and on the last stitch you want to finish it like somewhere in the middle here. Just make a slip stitch into a next stitch, then cut yarn. Make sure to leave a long tail for stitching. Fill it with lavenders or whatever you want to put in the inside. Once it's done, and we're going to forward like this. The way how I stitch it is insert the needle into the 2 loops that are close to each other, like this. Once you close the opening, now you have a little pyramid. From here, I bring the tail to the center or the bottom. After I attach the beads to the pyramid, I also made a chain about 50, but you can chain whatever number you want, and attach the chain to the pyramid. Make sure the chain is not twisted. That's all for today. I hope you like this little project. Please don't forget to comment below to let me know. Also smash the like button for me and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.